Hello everyone, myself Smita Ghosh from Smita's Mathematica. Today we solve GATE sample question 2022, question number 19. Limit x tend to 6, box x is equal to what? Where box x is a step function, 4 options are given. So this is the question in the house of calculus, and they here given limit x tend to box x. So we know box x is equal to this means greatest integer function. So this x is shows greatest integer function. Okay, now limit x tend to 6 box x. So how we just plot in box x in number line. So here 6 and it is 10 to 6, it is 10 to 6. Now box x is equal to 6 here and box x is equal to 5 here shows. So now condition 1, left hand limit, that is equal to limit x tend to 6 minus box x is equals to 5. Condition 2, right hand limit x tend to 6 plus box x is equals to 6. So therefore left hand limit does not exist right hand limit. Therefore limit x tend to 6 box x does not exist. Okay, so we reached, it is our required solution, and our option D is our correct choice. So this is the whole solution of question 19. Now moving to question 20. So question 20 tells us limit x tend to 5 by 4 x minus box x is equals to what? Where box x is a step function, 4 options are given. So this is the function, this is the question in the house of calculus, and it is a GATE sample question 2022. Now limit x tend to 5 by 4 x minus box x is a function given here. So just plot it on the number line. This is the number line and here is the point 5 by 4. So now x minus box x is equals to 5 by 4 minus 1 exist here, and x minus box x, that is equal to 5 by 4 minus 1 here. So now limit x tend to 5 by 4 x minus box of x, that is equal to 5 by 4 minus box x is equal to 1. As this limit exists as because left hand limit is equals to right hand limit. As this limit exists because left hand limit is equals to right hand limit. Okay, so now that is equal to 1 by 4. So we reached, it is our required solution, and our correct option is option A is our correct choice. So this is the whole solution of question 20. Now moving to question 21. So limit x tend to infinity x log of e x plus 1 by x minus 3, x plus 3 by x minus 3 is equals to what? So this is the question in the house of calculus, and it is a GATE sample question 2022. Now look at the function. This one is 0 by 0 form. So now we applying L'Hospital rule. Limit x tend to infinity. X log of e x plus 3 by x minus 3. So now just make derivative. So at first we just simplify the function. Okay, so now log of e base x plus 3 by x minus 3, just simplifying, so it is placing on denominator, just write 1 by x. So now it is shows that it is 0 by 0 form. So applying LH rule. So LH rule applying LH rule. Okay, so now derivative this one. So that is limit x tend to infinity. Just split this one at first, x plus 3 sorry, minus log of e base x minus 3, and here 1 by x. Now just make derivative, differentiated this. So here log of x tends to infinity, 1 by x plus 3 minus 1 by x minus 3 divide 1 by x. Sorry, minus here, and it is square. Derivative the denominator also. So limit x tends to infinity, minus of x square, and it is, after calculating this one, become x square minus 9 denominator, and numerator is 6. So limit x tend to infinity, minus is cancelled and make it plus, and it is 6x square by x square, 1 minus 9 by x square. Just writing for our calculation. So here we get 6 by 1, that is equal to 6. So it is our required solution. So this is the whole solution of question 21. So these are the 3 solutions. Any question, any query, you should just comment me in the comment box. Thanks for watching my video. That's all.